All right, Starkville, Oxford. Okay, let me.
That's fine. Really? Is Ole Miss in Oxford?
Yeah.
That's like 2 hours away.
Right.
So we should eat here.
Right.
Oh, Ulysses S. Grant Presidential Library.
Closed on weekends. I really wanted to see that. Hours and 39 minutes.
To Oxford?
What?
To Oxford?
Well, from here to Memphis,
Okay.
it's 184 miles, 2 hours and 2 hours and 40 minutes.
Okay.
From here to Memphis.
Right.
Yeah, we should see something.
I
in the
should
next
probably
half
get
hour.
some sleep so I can help get us further.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Mississippi 182 East.
It was unclear whether the bookstore was open today or not.
Oh, for Ole Miss?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe other stores there, but
Today's
At the light, turn right onto Mississippi 182 East.
Yeah, but to see the campus.
yeah. Well, there may be some other.
And if I like, I mean, there's websites.
Yeah, that's true. I forgot. That's what I was thinking. We could just buy it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Continue
Where
on
would we
Mississippi
go?
182
Okay.
East for 1.5
Yeah.
miles.
Okay, we're going east just to get back to what we want. Not changing
In
it.
a quarter mile, use the right lane to take the US 82 East, Mississippi 12 East ramp to Columbus West Point.
Oh, we're gonna head east. They want this.
82 East, 12 East.
Use the right lane to take the US 82 East ramp, then merge onto Mississippi 12 East.
Yeah, let's make sure.
I hope for not long.
Continue on Mississippi 12 East for 6
Oh,
miles.
that's the way they're going. Okay.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah. There were 2 ways.
Okay.
Yeah, this is fine.
Okay.
We're going to take 45. Could be alternate 45. Yeah, West Point. Yeah, she's right. Mississippi State. I said Ole Miss.
Yeah, it's a Gertrude Ford Student Union, I think it is.
Okay.
One thing I had said it was closed till Monday, and the one thing I had said it was open on Saturday and Sunday. So.
Gertrude Ford, Ole Miss.
Yeah.
Says closed. Barnes and Noble at Ole Miss is closed.
Is it closed?
Open 7:30. Yeah, closed Saturday and Sundays and Fridays. Didn't have a chance. And the Union.
Yeah, right. Good point.
Well, there was another way. I mean, it was probably longer and more 2-lane, probably. Whatever.
In 2 miles, take the US 45 alternate north, Mississippi 25 north exit toward West Point, Tupelo.
Coming off of one of the.
It's just a massive.
In half a mile, take the US 45 alternate north, Mississippi 25 north exit toward West Point, Tupelo. Take the US 45 alternate north exit.
Whoa,
What?
road came up sooner than I thought.
Okay.
Continue on US 45 alternate north for 32 miles.
You're listening to the 2024 Open Championship from Royal Troon Golf Club on Sirius XM 92 and on the Sirius XM app.
At Oppenheimer, we focus the power of our thinking on you, creating customized plans to help achieve your goals. The power of Oppenheimer thinking is boundless and original, listening more closely and investing with the confidence of over a century of expertise, creating new opportunities that rely on innovation, preserving capital that come from deep insights. Put the power of Oppenheimer thinking into your investing. Call an Oppenheimer professional.
There's no more sought-after title than Champion Golfer of the Year.
Yeah,
That's
this is
why
nice
players
drive.
work hard to have their game speaking for the Open Championship at Royal Troon, and why the vast majority will trust the Titleist Pro V1 or Pro V1X. They know they deliver the superior performance, consistency, and unrivaled control it takes to hoist the claret jump. Titleist, the #1 ball at the Open Championship since records have been kept, and the #1 ball in golf.
When you
want painting services for your home or business? Don't just hire any guy with a brush. Hire the gold standard in painting, CertaPro Painters. For over 30 years, CertaPro Painters have handled all their painting projects with the quality and care they deserve. From transparent estimates to the final walkthrough, and they have the reviews to prove it. If you want an exceptional painting experience, choose happy, choose CertaPro. Visit CertaPro.com. That's CERTA Pro.com. Each one of CertaPro Painters is independently owned and operated.
Tour players don't put a product into competition unless they believe in it. That's why more than 30 tour players have switched to Shaden Precision Eyewear. Visit SeeBetterPlayBetter.com.
Since the U.S. Open returned to Pinehurst Resort at Donald Ross's masterpiece, Pinehurst #2, there's never been a better time to visit and test your game at the cradle of American golf.
How many years were you in the dorm and stuff?
10th championship
What?
golf courses.
How many years were
Twist,
you
how
in
the
the
domes
dorm?
are
You were in the
organized,
dorm and
breathtaking
stuff.
design
No.
of Pinehurst #10.
You're with Jeff?
Ford,
Yep.
Historic hotels.
For 2 years?
Yep.
Blends the charms of
My mom wouldn't let me
with the
go.
very best in
Shit,
golf
Jeff
today.
had to watch me.
Visit Pinehurst.com now to plan your stay.
He was 2 years ahead of you, or
Billy
Yeah,
Horschel
50,
is in
yeah.
the bunker at the par 3 14th, and he's right near the edge of the bunker.
The end of
He's
my 2 years,
trying
he
to build a
graduated.
stance, and he wedges it out of that bunker. Oh, this
I
is a
had applied to
terrific
a
shot
home.
from that position. Horschel's hit it to 2.5
with Larry.
How did he do
And
that?
told my parents
What
that
a
Carbondale
shot
didn't
by
have,
Horschel.
computer
He'll have
science.
that left to stay at 5 under, tied for the lead.
Xander Schauffele here on number 17 with a fairway battle.
So my
coming
last
up short of
semester,
the
I
green
had
on
gone
that
to
hole.
Macomb to
This is
see him, and I
playing
went to see the
really
dean.
difficult right
Showed him
now.
my
He's
transcripts. He
laughing
told me what
at
I
how
should
short
take
it
my
was
last
of the green.
semester in Carbondale.
And now it's Horschel who is climbing in for this par attempt. How about that, Sandy Brendan DeYoung?
Oh, fantastic up and down there. You said it, Taylor. He played just an amazing bunker shot there. Flipped it out there somehow. We weren't sure he was going to be able to get in there to get his stones, but able to get out of there with a 3, and Billy is grinding, and you can see he's kind of got a look in his eye where he's really enjoying this. Some deep Burmester. This short left, not a good stroke there from deep Burmester. That's back-to-back bogeys, and the conditions are starting to take their toll on a couple of these guys out there now.
He's falling back to even par, now 5 back. By the way, Horschel made his par at 14. Justin Rose did have a lengthy birdie attempt at the 14th, almost made it from 2 feet away, knocks in the par, and Rose remains 1 behind Horschel and Brown. I know it's a busy leaderboard, it's changing like crazy. Horschel and Brown at 5, Schauffele, Rose, Lowry at 4, Burns, Lawrence, Henley at 3, and now Scotty Scheffler's fallen down to 1 under. He just missed a 2-footer.
Wow.
2-foot putt for
Sorry,
Scheffler
Scotty.
at 15. Misses, and he's fallen down to 1 under.
And that wasn't really close. That was a push right off the putter blade and
He's
never
lost
looked
it.
like going in. We're going out to Matthew Jordan here at number 18. He's going to be happy to get it done. Sounds like a good...
Head east toward US 45 alternate north.
This has been fun. It's nice to experience a different thing. Glad we went to Buc-ee's. that
Yeah.
was real thing. Look at that bird there. What we can. Scheffler, yeah, he missed a 2-foot putt. He just psychs himself out. He's won 6 tournaments this year. So he's number 1 player in the world. He just
Like I said, he's got too much money. He can't afford the taxes.
Shane Lowry has missed the fairway out here at the par 5 16th hole. In the rough on the right-hand side. He won't be able to reach the green, but the lie is good enough. Won't have any problem crossing the berm. Let's go to the 17th.
Scheffler's 2-footer. He knocks it in. There's a birdie. First one since the third hole, and after all of that, Scheffler is even for 17 holes. He's just 3 back.
Still officially lurking. He's right there. Nobody's going anywhere.
You said there wasn't a realistic chance to make a birdie unless you hit, what did he hit, a 3-wood there maybe off the tee?
Yeah, to 2 feet right behind the hole. And that doesn't happen very often. Just a fantastic shot as we drop back 1, kind of see Justin Rose talking things over with his trusty man there, Mark Fulcher.
What city is this?
West Point.
Getting all the affirmation that he needs. Fucci likes it, Rosie likes it. Let's see if they have figured this out correctly.
Chicken's good.
Okay, yeah.
Third shot here into the par 5. Rosie with the familiar pre-shot routine. Now stepping in, backing off once more.
Here we go.
Wind is up and down at the moment. We're seeing a lot of gusts here late in the day. Gusting over 20 miles an hour now. Stepping in. Looks to have a lot of club, trying to play a little knockdown shot here. All arms there, trying to take all the spin off that ball. And very well controlled, gets it in there about 15 feet right of the hole. Nifty little shot there.
Yeah, touch of class there. He is a crafty veteran.
That's a proper shot, Taylor. Proper shot.
Yeah, teach me how to do that. Horschel and Brown, 5 under. Rose at 4 under. Lawrence, Burns, and Henley have been done for hours. They're all at 3 under.
Wow.
Xander Schauffele's also at 3 under. Shot 69 in difficult conditions this evening.